What is up, guys? It is Austin BH Halloween and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I have the Black Heart to unbox. I got this guy at Flagship. I was going for Darling Dolly, but I did not get Darling Dolly. I think they only had like 3 on the floor and like 2 in the back. But I got 46 in line, so that was a really good number. I got there at 3 a.m. in the morning and waited in line all day of the 28th and was there all day the 29th. Met so many amazing people, and it was so much fun. And I would definitely love to go back, but it's like a 25-hour drive, so who knows. But anyways, I just got home maybe 30 minutes ago, so let's unbox the Black Heart. I did already put this guy together in my hotel, and the demo video will be out soon, or it should already be out when this video comes out. So this is not how he's gonna look when you get yours, but I put him in the box very, very quickly. There's his box, by the way. There's the side. There's the other side. Okay. So, first we have Ava's shoulders and arms. A whole bunch of poles. Instructions, Crazy Create. A part of the Reaper's arm, his moving arm. And here is his mechanism. Here's his shoulder bracket. His arm that does not move. And his hand is huge, actually. When I saw him at Flagship, he was way bigger than I ever thought he would be. Here's a hip loop for the Reaper, because Ava has a hip loop in her dress already. Adapter. Now here is the amazing Reaper head. It's caught on something. This head is huge, and look at all of the detail. I love all of the black drool coming out of his mouth. And the mouth movement is also amazing on this guy. This is the second part to the moving arm. Here is the Reaper's cloak. And this is also Ava's dress with the blood, or I don't know if that's dried blood or like black drool on there, I don't know. Here's the control box and module. And here is the base. Now the base, it's very, very strange with all of the things and all the brackets. But not only that, it's very, 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 very small for a almost 7-foot animatronic. It is very small. Like, I can look way back here, and like there are bases bigger than this for smaller props that don't even do much. So like, this is a very small base for what he is. So you'll probably definitely have to have some kind of weight or stake him down just for him to stay up. Especially in grass, yeah, in grass. Okay, these are Ava's chest plate. And last but not least, my favorite part, Ava's face, which this looks absolutely incredible. I don't think they could have done anything better with it. It literally looks like a Distortions Unlimited animatronic. Like, it's amazing. It's plastic too. So, it has a lot of hair actually. Like, it's like filled with hair, and it's like, looks like real hair. So it's very, very, very realistic. But anyways, that is everything out of the box. Let's go ahead and set up the black heart.
Don't be afraid. Your time has come. Join me now and forever. We will own the nights. Soon you will forget everything. Your life, your past. You will stay with me for the rest of eternity.
Overall, the Spirit Halloween 2023 Blackheart animatronic is amazing. He's just like big in general. The width, the height, everything. And he's like actually a scary one, because the detail of everything is just amazing, especially Ava. She has real eyelashes and everything. I mean, they could not have done a better job on her. I feel like they could have made his clothing a little more, like, they could have added something to his clothing and not just have been black. But overall, it is still a good animatronic. Another thing is that his sensor, it might just be on mine, but I don't know. His sensor doesn't work very well. You have to be like a foot away from it for it to activate. Again, that might just be mine, but overall, he is an amazing animatronic, and I'd say he's worth his price point at $300, because if you think about it, even though it's not a jump scare or anything, he's super tall, he's super big, and you can't notice that until you see him in person. And if you think about it, it's two people, it's two heads, it's two bodies. So you're getting what you're paying for with Ava and the Black Heart. So yes, it has the arm movement and the head movement and the mouth movement. It does not have any lights on it, but I don't think it needs lights, because it's supposed to look real, and with lights on it, looks fake. So you could obviously add a spotlight on it for Halloween. It would look super creepy with a red or blue light on it. So that's my opinion on the 2023 Spirit Halloween Blackheart animatronic. And keep an eye out for many more videos, because my local Spirit Halloween store, or one of my local Spirit Halloween stores, opens in just a few days. And they have Darling Dolly, so keep an eye out for her. And tomorrow I am going to pick up the Home Depot Inferno pumpkin skeleton, so keep an eye out for his videos. And I am also going to get Emmeline from Spirit and Desmodus from Spirit, so keep an eye out for many more videos, unboxing, setups, demos, and store tours for the 2023 Halloween season. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.